A simple choice between $10 and $10,000 reveals the mindset that shapes your financial future. Two identical paths begin the same, but one leads to struggle while the other leads to wealth. Spending immediately may feel satisfying, but it keeps you trapped in a cycle of limitation. Investing even a small amount creates the foundation for long-term financial growth. When money is not managed properly, it disappears faster than it arrives. Those who understand financial systems make their money work instead of working for money. Chasing instant gratification often leads to empty results and missed opportunities. Learning and applying financial knowledge turns small steps into powerful outcomes. Impatience blocks growth because real wealth requires time to develop. Using time wisely allows money to multiply and build momentum. Emotional decisions during market changes often lead to losses. Strategic thinking during uncertainty creates opportunities for future gains. Debt grows silently and can drain your financial energy over time. Assets, when managed correctly, generate consistent and reliable income. Comparing yourself to others distracts you from building your own financial path. Focusing on personal growth strengthens both skills and financial outcomes. Ignoring small savings prevents the power of accumulation from working. Consistent saving transforms small amounts into significant wealth over time. Working hard without strategy limits your earning potential. Long-term thinking allows you to see how small investments grow into large financial outcomes over time. Focusing only on quick profit prevents you from building sustainable wealth. When you invest early and consistently, your money begins to grow like a compounding system. Destroying growth too early removes the opportunity for long-term financial expansion. Diversifying your assets reduces risk and strengthens your financial foundation. Putting all your money in one place increases the chance of total loss. Planning your finances with time-based goals creates clarity and direction. Without planning, money becomes unpredictable and difficult to control. Exponential growth happens when gains are continuously reinvested and allowed to build. Linear thinking limits results and slows down financial progress. Reinvesting profits accelerates the cycle of wealth creation. Spending all gains immediately breaks the cycle of compounding growth. Smart market analysis helps you enter investments at the right time for maximum return. Emotional buying at the wrong time leads to rapid financial decline. Passive income allows money to flow even when you are not actively working. Depending only on active income limits your financial freedom and stability. Financial knowledge increases your ability to make smarter money decisions. Balancing risk and reward is the foundation of every strong financial decision. Random choices without strategy lead to unstable and unpredictable outcomes. Automation in finance allows systems to grow wealth without constant manual effort. Manual and inconsistent handling of money slows down overall financial progress. Tracking your net worth gives a clear picture of your real financial position. Focusing only on income hides the bigger picture of long-term wealth building. Building strong financial connections creates opportunities for shared growth and value exchange. Spending all gains immediately breaks the cycle of compounding growth. Smart market analysis helps you enter investments at the right time for maximum return. Emotional buying at the wrong time leads to rapid financial decline. Passive income allows money to flow even when you are not actively working. Depending only on active income limits your financial freedom and stability. Financial knowledge increases your ability to make smarter money decisions.
Lack of learning keeps you stuck in the same financial position. Calculated risk-taking is essential for building scalable wealth systems. Avoiding all risk completely prevents any meaningful financial growth. Isolation limits access to opportunities that could increase your financial success. A structured business system allows money to flow efficiently and scale over time. Trading time for money alone restricts your ability to reach financial freedom. Using tools and automation multiplies efficiency and accelerates wealth creation. Working harder without smart tools slows progress and reduces efficiency. Having a long-term vision keeps your financial decisions aligned with future goals. Short-term distractions break focus and weaken financial discipline. Building wealth is like climbing a ladder where each step represents progress and growth. Without progression, financial growth remains stuck at the same level. Financial freedom is achieved when money flows without constant active effort. Endless chasing without strategy keeps you trapped in a cycle of effort without results. When you compare both paths, the difference is not luck, but mindset and discipline. In the end, wealth is built by those who think long-term, act strategically, and stay consistent.